fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And this wiggly one here
is
the Sookie.
The Sookie. The squidge. Oh, there she goes.
So it's a wonder you don't end up with brain damage. Just to be sure, guys, it doesn't actually hurt her. It's not a it just sounds worse. You're a nutter. Yes, you are. You crazy girl. Right, so we're going to let her go to Dad, and then we'll have a look, see what we got. Okay. Right, guys, so we have got another build for you.
Yeah.
And look at that. Well, sort of look at it. I don't want you looking at it too much because we don't want to give it away. But it's a Panda Cafe, I believe. Yes, a Panda Cafe. I'm not quite sure what they sell, but there is a teapot, so I presume it just sells stuff that's in a cafe. I don't know. Right, so let's have a look-see. Yep, so I will be doing a sorting first.
Yeah.
That's unusual.
If you could hear,
you have to build the head.
If you can hear plastic moving around,
it's a pit.
It's a squidge trying to nibble into a packet of baby wipes.
Yes, it is very, very, very odd. But yeah.
Leave them alone.
Right, so let's see what we've got. I don't think I've got the price details or anything of this. This was an item from AliExpress. It does change. They do change around. But this is an AliExpress one. I haven't actually ordered from AliExpress for a very long time now.
Yeah.
But I did bulk buy the last time I did because I wanted to get some more. What's that? Yeah. Right, so let's have a look and see what we've got here. Whoa. Oh, that was a toughie. Right, so we have got a number 1. 2, possibly not actually. Yes, number 1.
Number 1. It's got a big one on it. Number 9.
Blimey. So, 4.
Oh, this has got big numbers on it. These are easy to spot, these ones.
Probably just doing
13.
13.
Christ.
5.
That's a lot of little bags.
10. Nine, 10. So that's 13 separate. 11. We've got 9, 10, 11. 12. So that takes us up to our 13.
Yeah.
Number 2. And number 8. So we'll put that there. And a 7 we'll put there. 6. There's a lot to this, I'll tell you.
There is.
I might have a look in a minute and see whether I can give you number of pieces detail.
It's not boxes, it? So it doesn't.
5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
2, 1. So we've got
13 bags.
13 bags.
That's a lot of stickers.
That's a hell of a lot of stickers. It looks like there's more than one sheet and there's stuff behind as well.
Yeah.
So, you know. Right. So it costs £9.57. This is one of the ones that closes. It's 860 pieces.
Yeah.
I'm surprised there aren't.
No, there's a lot of small ones in those bags. Yeah.
Bags, isn't there? But yeah. Yes, 860, and it is a Loz product. So they're small. They're smaller pieces.
They're not small pieces.
Don't know how best to show it. Yeah, they're smaller than Lego. I know this because when I go and actually do a proper Lego project,
it's like massive. Yeah,
it is. It looks absolutely humongous. It really does. But yeah, so that is really cool. Love that. Right, so let's get sorting, and then after that it'll be
A build.
Time to build. nicely completed, and I have got some spares. I've moved them across. I've got some stuck to me somewhere I can't find, and a load of those spares.
Plus what's on the floor.
Yes, I know, if it was a mishap. Right, so the build took me
13 hours 50 minutes.
So, I mean, we could have done the sorting separately, but I didn't on this occasion.
No, you did it as you went along, didn't you?
But, yes, it turned out really nicely. So, first of all, we have a little sign, which is just plain on the back.
Yeah.
And then we have a little person in a panda suit.
Oh, it is a person in a picture. You can see the eyes behind you, can't you?
That's right, yeah. And they've got rather a nice fan.
Yeah.
Right. So, this is super cute, I will warn you.
Yeah.
Actually, if we go like that.
Yeah.
So, there you go. You're so cute. So, of course, you've got the panda head and you've got bamboo. You've got a wee little panda here.
Yeah.
Flowers draping down. I love the effect on the window bits. An openable door, which I'm at the wrong angle for. This is really cool. This is a little chest freezer, and it's even got a thing in it which I think I showed when Darren was taking photos. Yeah, you can't see it in there, but there's a lolly in there of some sort, I think. Right, so if I just close this too, so you can see that end, and I'll turn it round. Oh no, I won't actually. I'm gonna. Yeah, I can't remember where it opens. There it is. Silly woman. So, sorry, this is movable.
You've got the menus on this side.
Yeah, you've got a menu bit by the door as well. You've got bits here for sale. You've got a lovely sign bit, and even a straw.
Oh yeah,
it's the drink bit. Then you've got nice.
I wonder if these Chinese shops do actually have all this stuff on the roof.
I don't know. If you do know, guys, let us know. We're curious.
So I wonder if they do actually have them on the roof.
And then you've got cute little chair and table set. And you go around the corner and you've got more bamboo. And then we go to the innard.
Yeah.
So up here it just seems to be the backing for a lovely little tea party.
Yeah.
You've got your light, of course. Then underneath you've got the kitchen area with the cute little sink, a stove, I think, with a teapot on. Little openable cupboard down there. And on this side you've got more seating and of course your front door. But yeah. So that is that. Woohoo! Every time. How often does that happen, guys? I mean, seriously. So yeah, I mean, it is really, really cute. It's a really nice one. Now, this is actually one of two for this section, and I haven't got the second one yet. It is in my,
Yeah.
But yeah, it is really cool. Really, really cool. So, guys, what did you think? Now, as always, please subscribe, because some of you have been removed
off
by YouTube. We know this because some of you have got in contact with us saying that we hadn't been popping up.
Yeah.
And the problem is, I mean, Darren was saying to me himself, he forgets to subscribe on things.
Yeah. Because once you start watching something, they'll keep showing you them, and then all of a sudden they'll stop.
That's right.
And if you haven't subscribed, you lose it totally.
But as I don't have a clue when this video will be going up, it probably won't be till next year. But I will actually say about this on a current one.
You say next year?
I know.
It'll be this year.
Oh, yes.
Time travel.
Yeah, it's freaky. Anyway, my lovelies, as always, be different. A very, very unhoo-hoo. And let's have little Panda Man. Boop.